Let's now look at applying number format options to already filled cells to help us standardize our data. We have 3 identical rows of data here. We will choose a different number format for each row and see what happens. We can apply number format changes to multiple cells at the same time by highlighting them. We can even highlight an entire row, column, or worksheet and then apply formatting. Let's say the first row of cells are supposed to be dollar values. Highlight this row and then choose Currency from the drop-down menu. The numbers will now be displayed with dollar values correct to 2 decimal places, since that's how currency is displayed mathematically. Okay, what should the second row be? Let's imagine the next row is supposed to be in percentage form. Again, just highlight the cells or row and then choose percentage as the number format, and all highlighted cells will be standardized. Now for the last row, let's apply the date format and see what happens, even though we have just entered single-digit numbers in our cells. Our results look kind of strange. All the values have changed to date format, but how did Excel come up with these dates? You may be surprised, but there is actually a logical answer. Excel has taken the numbers entered into the cells as the number of days starting from 1st January 1900 and accordingly displayed the date. Now we probably won't have to use that ever, but it just goes to show how careful we have to be when applying number formats or entering value into already formatted cells, because it can lead to unexpected results. Let's just go back for a second to our row of dates and imagine they're correct, but we wanted the days to show along with the dates. This can be done by customizing the date format displayed. Highlight the cells, right-click, and open the Format Cells menu. In the Number tab, we will see that the format is already on date, and in this menu we have different date display options. Let's select this one that displays the day. Now in the preview just above here, we can see what our cells will look like if we choose this option. Let's now apply, and voila, our date format has been updated successfully. I'd just like to share a quick tip related to date and time formats. If you need to enter today's date in a cell, you can do this using the keyboard shortcut Control and semicolon. Now, if you need to enter the current time into a cell, you can press Control, Shift, and semicolon. This will effectively leave you with a timestamp in your cells, which can be useful if you need to make a note of the exact time of entering data or checking or validating for any purpose. Now, because we had highlighted the rows before applying number formats, all cells in these rows, including the blank cells, will also be in the new format. Let's make sure of this. If we now enter more data in these rows, Excel should automatically standardize them to the respective number formats previously applied. And it worked!